Trinamool Congress Member of Parliament in the Rajya Sabha, O Brien, was in Shillong, where he met with reporters today, the 10th of February 2023. While addressing the gathering, O Brien stated that it is the TMC that has been delivering its promises to the people, unlike national parties who have not been able to bring much progress to the public. On the issues affecting the state of Meghalaya, O Brien said that he had taken up many issues in the parliament that concern the state of Meghalaya, that include illegal coal mining and transportation, the rice scam, smart meter scam, and others.
I think the compilation of parliamentary proceedings tell their own story. The state, the TMC, Meghalaya team, our state president, Charles Pingro, the leader of the opposition in the assembly, Dr. Mukul Sangma, and my other colleagues, we had discussed this the last time we were here. The last time when we were here to release the manifesto. And we had a detailed discussion on what are the issues which could be raised in Parliament. And to be very truthful, we had 4 or 5 issues, but we did tell our colleagues here that we may not be able to raise more than 1 issue or 2 issues, but this time we made it a point to raise every issue. And I say this with all humility, but with a lot of pride, that the TMC delivers. What were the other national parties doing? Parliament was on for 10 days. I challenge any national party or regional party to show you 2 minutes of any of their MPs raising a single issue. An open challenge. Nobody did. We are committed to the state. We didn't do Meghalaya a favor. We didn't do the Northeast a favor. It was our duty to raise these issues. These are very, very serious issues. Some issues don't only affect Meghalaya or the Northeast, and some are issues which go beyond that. Parliament is a platform. Parliament is a platform to raise issues and keep those issues in the public domain. Otherwise, it's the same way where media also is a great pillar to amplify and keep issues in the public domain. I'm not getting into the merits and demerits of the case. Charles Pingro and Dr. Mukul Sangma will be much more qualified to speak on the subject than I am. But we will continue to raise issues, not only in this session, but in forthcoming sessions.
Once you put on the uniform, it is your bounden duty to serve and protect and uphold the Constitution. The Constitution is very clear. You can't steal, and you cannot go against the rules and the laws that are prevailing in the state. Illegal transportation has been declared by the High Court illegal. How can you allow? Therefore, you have the central government sources. Badly is putting it very mildly. I mean, if there was any shame left in the Meghalaya police, they should be hanging their heads in shame, where the job that they were supposed to execute as guardians of the law has now been overtaken by a paramilitary force which doesn't belong to the state.